Electric shock from touching capacitor terminals in your air conditioner can seriously mess you up, so it is super important to know what parts do and how to stay safe. Okay, so first off, capacitors in your AC store electrical energy and help start the compressor and fan motors. When you switch off the unit, these capacitors can still hold a charge for a while, which means touching the terminals is like poking a mini lightning bolt. To avoid getting shocked, always wait a few minutes after unplugging or turning off power. Then use a screwdriver with an insulated handle to discharge the capacitor safely by shorting its terminals. Never just touch the terminals with your bare hands, even if it looks off because electricity can linger. Also, wear rubber gloves and stand on a dry surface, like a wooden floor, to cut down risk. If you are not sure how to handle these parts, calling a pro is honestly the best move because they deal with this stuff all day long. Remember, other parts like the contactor, compressor, and fan motor also have their own roles, but usually are not as dangerous to touch unless power is on. Knowing these basics keeps you safe and helps you understand when it is okay to DIY or when to call for help. One of the biggest mistakes people make with AC capacitors is not discharging them before working on the unit, which leads to electric shock. Fix this by always discharging with a screwdriver designed for that. Another common issue is ignoring warning signs like bulging or leaking capacitors. These need replacement as soon as possible to avoid failures or hazards. The third problem is trying to test or replace parts without turning off the main power switch at the breaker box. Always kill power first to avoid accidents. Following these tips not only prevents injuries, but also keeps your AC running smooth without unexpected breakdowns. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it helps homeowners connect with reliable local contractors who know how to fix or replace AC parts safely. For contractors, it offers a solid way to find new clients and grow their business by showcasing their skills where homeowners actually look first.